There's a few mistakes that entrepreneurs make when they buy a business. The first one would be signing an LOI before they've consulted with an attorney. Even though many LOIs are non-binding, they set the tone for the transaction and they hash out the material terms. You definitely want to get that structured in the right way with an attorney before you sign it. Another mistake is entering into the wrong structure of the transaction. For example, assets versus stock sale versus merger. You want to make sure these are all different types of transactions that have different legal and tax ramifications. You want to make sure that you understand the right structure for the purchase. Then there's also the third mistake would be the buyer not doing thorough due diligence before closing on the transaction. The buyer really needs to understand what they're buying and what risks are out there, and the agreement needs to allocate that risk appropriately between the purchaser and seller. And then finally, one of the other mistakes is falling in love with the deal or the business. At the end of the day, this has got to be a financial decision, and oftentimes in the throes of a deal, the buyer can emotions start to creep into decision making, and sunk costs affect decision making. But sometimes it's better just to walk away.